And we are back again sailing from the beautiful island of Lastovo. It's a bay called Scrivena Luka, full with wasps. And we are going to sail now to Korčula. It's another island, and Korčula is the town, another town on the island. It's about 25 miles from here. We expect to have about 10 knots of wind and close to a meter of waves, very short waves, because there was a storm last night with thunders and everything, like a proper storm. And we're gonna stay 2 days on a mooring bow over there, and then gonna go to another island, stay a day there, and then probably go to another island for next week. But for now, this is the, let me show you the beautiful bay Scrivena Luka in Lastovo. And it was full, the pontoon was full, but everyone left. These are our friends over there. We got to talk to them a lot for the last, we were here 4 days. We are here 4 days. We went to the lighthouse over there. There is a TikTok video if you want to check it out. There is a working lighthouse that we went inside when the light was on. It was really cool. And that's the restaurant. And this is the beautiful bay. Look at the clear water. We swam every day and cycled every day. It was really good time here. 4 days of really good time. And the beautiful surroundings. Extremely beautiful place. We should definitely come back here someday. Maybe on the way back to Italy. Alright, let's start the engine. Let the lines go. This is our front line, the mooring line, as they call it, slime line. And yeah, enjoy a lovely day out at sea. And tonight hopefully the mooring bow will be easy, and there will be someone waiting for us, I hope. So let's see. Okay, I'll start the engine and move the boat now with the help of Stanis.
Lines untied, the morning's bright. Scrivena Luka fades from sight. Indara's bow points to the sea. Another journey wild and free. We're leaving the harbor, slowly steady. Winds are calling, sails are ready. From Lastovo to Korčula shore. The open sea is home once more. Engines hum, the waves roll near. Every departure brings us cheer. Seahoppers sail with hearts so light. Chasing horizons day.
We are out of our berth, leaving the bay. Stanis is the navigator. She doesn't have the navigator cap, but hat actually. But she is the navigator, so she's taking us out. Let me show you the lighthouse. I'm not sure if the camera will record it, but why not? Let's give it a go. Over there, that's the beautiful lighthouse that we went on. Stunning picture and stunning view from there. Really enjoyed it. And was late in the evening, almost getting dark, so added a bit to the excitement. Now we're gonna turn over here and go east. Is that east? East. Go east to the island of Korčula. The wind is 15-16 knots and should be on our side, so hopefully nice sailing. Let me show you the route. So we are here, that's the island, and we are going that way to Korčula. So, and here is Croatia, these are the islands. That's us. The sea is a bit choppy, but we are very comfortable here in Indara. She takes it very smoothly. The problem is that they are very close to each other, not that they're big, but very close. But it's not bad, it's nice. Stanis is observing and enjoying at the same time the scenery and watching the chorus. That's the other side of the island, which has a lot of small islands that are not inhabited. They are part of the national park. We're gonna go in between them and then go north, to the other island, Korčula. But for now, a bit of motor sailing because the wind is on the exact back, and I sort of put the bicycle over there, and under the bicycle are all the ropes that I use for different things, and one of the things is a boom preventer, so cannot put the boom preventer and the boat is moving all the time, and if I let the mainsail completely out, it definitely will slam at some stage. So also we are changing the course in about 2 miles, and then the wind will be somewhere over there on the beam, Broad Reach, and then we'll be sailing with jeep and everything. So for now, 2 more miles of motor sailing, and then we'll see. We changed our course because we had to change it, and that made the wind really nice on the beam. So we are sailing now with close to 6 knots in 13 to 14 knot of wind. Very, very pleasant.
Sails are flying with golden light, waves are dancing, the day feels right. Indara runs with the wind so free, the ocean sings in harmony. Sun on the water, a sparkling view, sky so endless, the horizon new. Hearts wide open, the journey begun, sailing together under the sun. Strong and true, every mile brings a dream brand new. Seahoppers laughter across the blue, the sea is home for me and you. Sun on the water, a sparkling view, sky so endless, the horizon new. Hearts wide open, the journey begun, sailing together under the sun. Wind in the canvas, strong and true, every mile brings a dream brand new. Seahoppers laughter across the blue, the sea is home for me and you. Sun on the water, a sparkling view, sky so endless, the horizon new. Hearts wide open, the journey begun, sailing together under the sun.
The wind is getting up to 17-18 knots. We are still sailing more than 2 hours now, doing constantly more than 6 knots of boat speed. 6.5 is the average. The waves are very close to each other, so the boat goes very nice. And
10 nautical miles.
we have 10 nautical miles, the navigator said. 10 nautical miles left. Ideally should be there in about 2 hours. And yeah, that was the plan, to be there around before 7 o'clock. So let me show you the sailing configuration. Full jib. We are about 2 miles from the anchorage. We're gonna take the mainsail in because the wind is just opposite us, but wow, just wanted to show you the beautiful islands. There's so many of them, loads of them. We need to go somewhere over there and find our place, but now let's take the mainsail in and continue motoring.
Stoyan is gonna take the mainsail in. We have the perfect position to take it in. The boat is on autopilot. I don't have to do much, hopefully.
Hopefully.
And just gonna record now. See what happens.
Yeah. Maybe I'll manage, maybe I won't.
Let's see.
We will see. Nice.
Almost in.
Almost in. Perfect. Some exercise. Oops.
Yeah, all done. Stop, stop, stop. That's enough.
Woo. Very good.
Nice job.
Thank you. We on Navionic saw the little islands. So these are islands, small ones, and we are going into this bay here on the mooring bow. So here is the town of Korčula, the town is there. Over here, we're gonna cycle to it tomorrow. For now, I'm navigating through the little islands and enjoying the nice sunset Wow, stunning, absolutely stunning. Beautiful place. We are half a mile to the mooring buoy or mooring buoys, and usually they meet you at the place, so hopefully there will be someone meeting us. This is one of the villages, really stunning, and over there where the sun shines is where we're going for the mooring buoy even, maybe. That's another island here, and another one over there, and another one on behind it, and there in the far distance a couple of more islands. Very, very nice. There are loads of mooring buoys around. They want to protect the Poseidonius, the seagrass. I'm not sure if I pronounced it well. Because when you drop an anchor, we destroy the bottom of the sea when we circle around. So in here, they put a lot of mooring buoys, and they gave them to the locals to manage them. So that's how the mooring buoys are managed. So you get obviously charged, but at least you know they are safe and you're not destroying the environment. And this big mountain is a peninsula that goes to the mainland. It has sea on the other side. The day after tomorrow, we're gonna sail around the islands further down about 20 miles to another island, which is a very small one, with a very old monastery, and we're gonna spend the night there. But yeah, this is a little marina by the look of it, and let's find our mooring buoy now. I'm glad that Stanis is taking control of all the navigation, so I can walk around and enjoy the nice scenery. But now we're gonna go and have a look as well to see where we're going. We are looking around for mooring buoys, but the sun is shining in. Stanis can see them somewhere over there. Yes, Stanis can see the mooring buoy, but I'm not sure if that's ours, because there are a couple of restaurants here. It's a restaurant that owns them on a concession or something like that. So maybe I should call the guy. Oh yeah, maybe that's them. True, between the catamarans. Yeah. Nice. Hopefully there will be someone meeting us, because I'm not sure how we're gonna, what type of mooring buoys are they. Do we need to put our own rope, or we'll see now. Hopefully someone will meet us. We are still trying to find loads of them. Look around, loads of them empty. And we are still trying to find where to go. I guess that's the restaurant in front of us. And usually there should be someone meeting us, but anyway, we'll hang around for a few seconds and then a few minutes or a couple of minutes, and then we'll pick up a mooring buoy, and that's it. They said just take one. Oranžev, which means orange in Croatian, Bulgarian as well. So that's the one over there, ladies and gentlemen. Stanis will point into it, and with the boat hook I'm gonna try it looks like there is a little rope on the side. I'm gonna try take that rope and bring it to our boat. So hopefully it will work out well. So let's see now. I'll give it a go. I won't be able to record because I need my 2 hands, but hopefully won't make a big of a drama. Спри сега, изключи двигателя. Дай леко надясно и назаден, дай назаден. Назаден! Wow, I was shouting in Bulgarian, go forward, backward, but that was way too easy. I'm a bit worried. That's the mooring bow. Wow! I think we are ready. Wow! That was easy. I'm gonna tidy up now a little bit because I have our own rope and all this, but well done. Well done, navigator. That was very good maneuver. Beautiful place. A kiss for arrival. Successful kiss for arrival. Now tidy up, take a shower, and maybe go to this restaurant over there to eat. Oh, what's going on? Did we lose the mooring bow? Oh, already. Yeah, okay, let's tidy up now and see how we do it. Very clever. I'm happy with this system. Just a big rope. I didn't need even to tidy up. I'm not sure why I keep recording now. I was saying goodbye to you, but then I decided to show you. And then you can just put this over, I guess, but it won't go into our cleat. So I just gonna keep it like that. Might let it out a little bit, and we are set. Perfect arrival. Okay, if you watched that far, well done, and thank you very much as well. And we will see you next time when we sail to the next island. Tomorrow a little bit of cycling and then sailing again. Bye for now.